Hello and welcome to a new video on the topic of HiCAD plant construction. In this video, we would like to take a look at a few more functions in the area of plant construction. We will cover insulation, isometry, and the pipe plan. In the first step, we will insulate the most recently created pipeline. We select the command Edge Pull to install insulation. In the following dialog window, you can select the desired insulation and also set an isometry symbol for later symmetry. The color of the insulation, as well as the representation type, which is selected as transparent here, can be determined in this dialog window in advance. Exceptions for fittings, flanges, and other pipeline components can be selected with this checkbox. In our pipeline class, two different insulations are available for this nominal size. In this case, we choose the wall thickness of 50. The selected edge pull is now being provided with this insulation. We repeat the process on the second edge pull. Here as well, we install the insulation with a wall thickness of 50. In the next step, we would like to create an isometric representation of our drawn pipeline. An isometry is the symbolic representation of the drawn pipeline components. For this, we select the command to generate isometry. In this dialog window, it can now be determined which pipelines and with which labels and dimensions this isometry should be provided. This can be selected using the respective checkboxes. Furthermore, a title block or an isometric projection can be selected. A new scene is simply created with a click on OK. Here we see the created isometry with all symbolic representations, dimensions, and labels for our drawn pipeline. Also visible on the isometry are parts lists, customizable pipeline parts lists, pipe length lists, and weld seam lists are created. There is also the possibility to split the isometry, meaning to divide this isometry across multiple sheets. We can add split points. Then the isometry is recalculated with two split sheets. After recalculating, two sheets of this isometry are now visible. Another way to create manufacturing documents for our pipeline is the pipe plan. We can start generating this pipe plan using the command isometry pipe plan. First, the desired spools that should be visible on the pipe plan are selected. After the selection, it can be confirmed with a middle mouse click. In the following window, similar to the isometry, the desired labeling and dimensioning of the pipe plan can now be selected. A desired drawing frame, as well as the desired views, can also be selected. By clicking OK, a new scene is created again, where the pipe plan is visible. Such a spool is advantageous for prefabrication in the operation. Here, the parts lists are also printed on the plan in any arbitrary and freely definable manner. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.